Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your data from Pinterest. I will walk you through all the steps, so let's get started. Open your Pinterest app. You will land on the home page. If you look at the bottom right corner, you will see your profile. Tap on it. It should look something like this. If you look at the top right corner, you will see three dots. Tap on the dots and scroll down until you find the option Privacy and Data. Tap on Privacy and Data. Again scroll down and look for the option Request Your Data. When you find it, tap on it. And here you have to tap on Start Request. It might take some time to gather all your data and send it to you, but when they are done, they will send you an email from a third-party provider saying that they have safely completed your request. And I hope this video was useful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.